This new kit provides everything for efficient cleaning of the injector port and seating surface prior to fitting new injectors. Before removing the injector, carefully clean the surrounding area. Once the injector is removed, the next step is to remove the copper sealing washer from the base of the injector port. Here we are using the Laser 5450 injector seal puller. Now we seal off the injector nozzle port at the bottom to stop any carbon or dirt entering the combustion chamber during the cleaning process. A set of plugs is provided for this purpose. Now choose an appropriately sized cleaning brush from the 3 provided and fit to the Quick Chuck flexible extension. Use an air or electric power drill and ensure that all carbon and dirt deposits have been removed from the injector port. Hold the sealing plug in place with the insertion rod, then vacuum out the injector port. Now choose the special Silicone Nylon bristle-based cleaning brush to clean the injector seat area at the bottom of the port. A steel wire brush will tear and abrade the aluminium seat surface, meaning that the seat area may have to be recut. The silicone nylon bristles give a smooth and consistent finish to an aluminium surface, particularly important on this sealing surface. Push the steel coil mounted over the bristles down to about 5mm from the end of the bristles. The steel coil will keep the bristles tightly bunched and straight. Now carefully clean the base of the injector port. Again, holding the sealing plug in place, vacuum out the injector port. The final step is to clean the injector nozzle port at the very bottom. Apply a small amount of grease to the lower wire brush section of the injector nozzle port cleaner. Clean by turning anti-clockwise a few turns. Then continue to turn anti-clockwise as the cleaner is withdrawn. The grease will hold any dirt or carbon deposits. To finish, remember to fit a new copper sealing washer to the base of the injector port before fitting the new injector. Replacement brushes are available to keep your kit fully stocked and always ready for use.